Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Stuck staring at Fortnite Error Code 1? You are not alone. This common issue keeps many players from diving into the action. It is incredibly frustrating when you just want to play with friends, but the game simply will not launch. We have put together the most effective, easier-to-follow steps to troubleshoot and resolve this problem. Get ready to banish that error code and jump back into the battle royale. Your first powerful step is to verify the integrity of your game files. Sometimes, crucial game data can become corrupted or even go missing, leading directly to Error Code 1. Simply open your Epic Games launcher, go to your library, find Fortnite, click the three dots, and select Verify. This essential process scans your installation, downloading and replacing any damaged components automatically, often resolving the issue instantly. It is a quick and effective diagnostic tool. Next, try running the Epic Games launcher and Fortnite as an administrator. Right-click the shortcut, choose Run as Administrator, and see if that bypasses the error. This often fixes permission-related conflicts that prevent the game from starting properly. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are completely up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for many game launch issues, including Error Code 1. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website for the latest versions. If the error persists, consider clearing your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushtons, then press Enter. This can often resolve network-related glitches. As a final, more drastic solution, a clean reinstallation of Fortnite might be necessary. This ensures all old, potentially corrupted files are removed, giving you a fresh start. Remember to uninstall thoroughly before downloading and reinstalling the game again from the Epic Games launcher. You now have a powerful arsenal of fixes to combat Fortnite Error Code 1. From verifying game files and running as administrator to updating drivers and even a clean reinstall, these are the most effective strategies to get your game running. Do not let a pesky error keep you from the fun any longer. Try these steps, and we are confident you will be back on the battle bus in no time. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.